Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Jerry over at Wealth Dynamics coming at you live, just heading over to get some lunch right now. And I wanted to talk to you about how much work it actually takes to build wealth. I think there's some confusion on that topic. And so when we're talking about wealth, what we've got to be talking about is basically like how much work are you willing to put in? I think a lot of people, when they're looking at like their goals, their dreams, and what they want to build out, you know, they're looking at it from a standpoint of how easy is it going to be and what's the payoff going to be, but maybe not necessarily like how much work am I going to have to put into it. And what I mean by that is there's a lot of times I'll talk to people and they want the passive income, they want the easy lifestyle, they want all the good stuff, but you know, they don't want to put the work in. So when it comes down to it, it's, do I keep doing what I've been doing or do I make a change? Now here's the deal. What you've been doing is comfortable, meaning you're used to it, you enjoy it, it feels good. That's why you do it. So when you start looking at making a shift and saying, hey, I'm going to start building wealth, you got to realize that I have to drastically change my operating basis. The things that you're used to doing that aren't working right now, as a byproduct, they're not producing wealth, because if you're not wealthy, it means that they don't work. You can't keep doing those. Okay, so 3 things that I know you need to do, and I'm going to go ahead and add a 4th one. 4 things I know you need to do. You need to study money deep. Like, you need to really understand money. You can't just be like, hey, I have a financial advisor, or I listened to the Dave Ramsey show once, or I understand basic math, so I think I know money. You actually have to study money. Okay? And that's going to give you financial literacy. If you don't study money, you're not going to build wealth. That's probably going to take you a half hour a day. Okay, the other thing you've got to do is you have to push up your income. Okay, there's this myth in the middle class of live below your means. That's a lie. That's not how the 1% got wealthy. They increased their means. They increased their income. So if you're looking at how do I build wealth, that's the first thing you got to look at is how do I push up my income? Okay, and then once you push it up, guess what? You're not going to just sit there and be in luxury. You're actually going to save 40% of your income. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and say that if you're saving 40% of your income and you're using a bank, you're being a dingus. Okay, you're saving with people that are stealing your wealth, not giving you more wealth. So you need to be looking at, where do I save the money I have? Okay, and next you have to multiply it. You have to invest in yourself and in income producing assets. Okay, not the latest trend, like stuff that works. If you study Carnegie, Rockefeller, all these big guys, what they did is when they got money, they invested it into their businesses, then they bought real estate. Okay, Rockefeller did it, Carnegie did it. If you look at everyone that's doing like big things, that's what they're doing. Okay, so I want you to consider, am I willing to actually put in the work? This is not going to be the 4-hour work week, and this is not easy passive income or get rich quick. This is doing 40 years of work in 10 years because it's worth it. You're going to compress 40 years of effort into 10 years and compress it. There will be no balance for 10 years. You will be hustling to live your dreams out. And when you do that, the result will be worth it. That's what I'm telling you. If you'd like to learn more about this, reach out to me. Let me know. Connect with me. I'm going to go ahead and head into some lunch here with a client. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I will talk to you soon.